So today we have some fun words from Ghana. Okay, so here's our list of words for today. We're going to do monkey, drum, which is tween, Ziva kente scarf, which is a type of scarf from Ghana. Those are words for today. Okay, let's dive right in. For which part? Yeah. Let's draw the rectangle with the body. Then draw a circle for the head. Okay, how do we draw the muzzle? Yep. So here we're going to draw, see, this is our circle here for the head. We're going to draw a circle here, the muzzle, and we're going to draw two straight lines. Does that make sense? So I'm going to draw a circle here, and then this two straight lines like this. That's the muzzle. Okay? All right, what are some other big shapes you can draw for a monkey? Yeah? Well, what shape would you use for the legs? Right. Let's draw two rectangles. We can use big legs, huh? In the back? Yeah, we can bend them since we can bend our rectangles with their legs. So what shape should we use for his arms? So maybe two rectangles for the arms too? How's that? What do you think? What should we draw next? Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, huh? Yeah, I think there is. We can look at another picture. They do look like they have tails. You see it? We have curvy tail. So how do we draw the curvy tail? What kind of lines do we draw? Right, so we have either straight lines or curved lines. So straight lines or curved lines. Okay, so we can draw a curved line like that. We have another curved line that connects it. Yeah. So you see, have big eyes or small eyes? Yeah. It's actually really hard to see his eyes, huh? So what shape could we use where his eyes are? What shape is this right here that we can use? Draw a rectangle for where his eyes are going to be. And that rectangle is sort of his eyes in shadow, right? Draw that rectangle there. Okay, do you see another shape right here? Yep. Let's draw that. That's sort of his, everything else around his face is hairy. It's fur. So it's helpful to draw that rectangle. So let's draw that rectangle, the baboon. Let's draw this right here. And then in this picture, we can actually see his eyes. It's very small, but can you see his eyes? What kind of shape can we draw for his eyes? Yeah, very small circles. Huh? We've got two small circles. Okay. And then how do we connect the head to the body? This line looks a little curved, huh? Maybe we can do a curved line like that. All right, what else should we draw? What else are we missing? Right, very small curved lines, huh? Curved lines like this, like this. Okay. What about his feet and his hands? What shape can we draw for his feet and his hands? Yeah, so we can draw oval. Okay, what about the nose and the mouth? How do we draw the nose and the mouth? Two dots at the end. Okay. And about the mouth? Yeah, something like this. How's that? What do you think? Okay, cool. All right, what other details should we add? Yeah, and how do we draw a fur pattern? The fur is basically just a pattern, right? What kind of lines are they? Kind of like zigzag lines, yeah? Okay, so yeah, so we can draw spiky lines, zigzag lines, all around his body. Let's round out the edges and delete the inside. We don't need that anymore. And we can make little spiky lines around elbows. What do you think of our baboon? Yeah, it's pretty good too. Let's make sure we can put a dot in our ball. And then in this black part, on this rectangle, you can fill in black. Okay, let's draw a drum. We'll draw a drum and a zebra. So let's draw an African drum. Do you want to help me draw a drum and then we'll draw a zebra next? Okay, so what shape should we start off with drawing this drum? What's the big shape you can see? Okay, like a triangle like this, right here. Okay, so let's draw that triangle first. That's good. Okay. What's next? What's on top? Can we draw another shape? What shape would you use there? Okay. You want to do a circle here? Okay. Draw a circle here. All right. How do you draw this here? Yeah. We can use a rectangle. So we can use a rectangle, but instead of this being just the rectangle, we can turn it in a little bit. This. And actually, why don't we draw our triangle? To overlap it. We can delete the top part. Okay, let's add some details. So, what kind of lines do we use around the top here for the rope? Yeah, so we can do a curved line with a rope. And then you see these lines going down. What kind of lines do we use? And is there a shape that you see? Yes, so they're straight triangle lines. Yeah, how many can you count? Yep. Okay, so let's draw those 3 triangles. At the bottom. Let's add a few more details. What kind of lines are these lines here that go across? Spiral, that's a good word. So let's draw a spiral line. And then you see some more other lines around here? Yeah, and some bumpy triangles at the bottom. It's a pretty drum, huh? Yeah. Okay, cool. think this is a pretty good drum. You want to draw a zebra with me? Okay. Aren't zebras so cool? Look at those stripes. Okay. What's the first shape we should draw for a zebra? Okay. What's the next shape after that? Yeah? What shape should we use for that? Okay, yeah. That's a good idea. All right, and then on an animal's head, what do we call this part? Yes, and how we draw the muzzle? Yep. And then we connect it with? Yep, you got it. You're doing great. All right, awesome. What should we draw next? Okay, lines to the neck. Neck to neck. How about the feet and the legs? Yes, curved lines and triangles. So we can do curved lines or rectangles. And then triangles. Okay, how do we draw the tail? Okay, curved line. Maybe with a triangle or a circle at the end. Okay, triangle at the end. That sounds good. And how do we draw the ears? What kind of shape do we use for the ears? Yeah, okay. So use a triangle. Okay. All right, let's finish off the head. What are we missing on the head? So what shape should we draw for his eyes? Circles. What about the nose, the nostrils, and the mouth? Two circles. And for the mouth? Yeah, curved line. Okay. And now we just gotta add stripes, huh? Okay, let's add stripes. And you can add stripes as a pattern any kind of way you like. All right, so that's all we have time for today. There is a Kente scarf, which scarves are basically curved lines. Or if you wrap them around, you can wrap them around, your animal. You can do a couple curved lines, a scarf like that. If you want to put a scarf on your zebra, you can. Or you can put a scarf around your monkey. So 2 curved lines and some rectangles at the end. Okay, so cool.
Wasn't that fun? And wasn't that simple and easy? All right, so if you like that video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our videos. We make videos every single week. And we have a special step-by-step guide for you in the link below. So go ahead and click the link below and download it, and we'll see you next time at Creativity School.